Hello everybody, this is Natasha Advani here. Today I'm going to teach you 3 ways on how to avoid procrastination. The moment you feel, you're spaced out or you're daydreaming or you're just procrastinating, you don't know what to do. It's very important in less than as soon as you're aware you're procrastinating, do some physical activity so that you are more here, you're more present here, because sometimes when we are procrastinating, we are daydreaming, we don't know what to do. So I suggest in less than 10 seconds, as soon as you're aware of, just stand up, okay, and do some exercise. Either you jump like this or you move your hand like this and do something which is movement. That is very, very important. Once you do the movement, you feel, oh yeah, you are procrastinating. Your brain will get the signal that yes, I'm procrastinating, I need to get back to work or do something, or don't waste your time. Because I want you to be aware, the brain doesn't understand jokes, or it doesn't understand that this is the imaginary reality or this is a real reality. So we need to shake up the brain. So when we shake up the brain and do some physical activity in your body, you'll notice you will be more here in the present. Another thing you do is also, when you feel you're procrastinating, is you have to come out of your comfort level. Do something you don't like, because the moment you do something you don't like, you're like, your brain again expands and you feel, yes, oh, I was doing this, and suddenly I don't know why I'm procrastinating. You're procrastinating obviously because you don't want to do something, or you're just dazed and you don't know how to work things in your life, and you're like, oh, how do I do this, or it's so difficult. So work on this, come out of your comfort level, do some physical activity which is very, very important to you, and you will see yourself growing. Be aware, because a lot of people's lives are messed up nowadays. There are a lot of issues happening, so you can work on that, and then see what shows up for you, and see if you can avoid procrastination by doing these powerful techniques. Hello everybody, this is Natasha Advani, Intuitive Energy Alchemist. I've given workshops to various companies, schools and colleges. I've come on a TV show and I've given workshops to 1,000 corporates and 50 employees, schools and colleges. So you can subscribe to this video, share this video with your family and friends, and I have this lovely book from Mess to Mesmerized, where you can purchase it on the link below. Thank you.